guys, welcome to Crazy Wap LOL to our channel. Welcome to our YouTube family. Today we are going to explore the nature of beauty and everything. What park are we at?
Carpenter Lake Nature Preserve Park.
We are here to explore the nature,
place.
explore the beautiness of God, explore the
magic
of this place. You say something, bro?
We're supposed to explore, take a walk, you know, just explore the park and everything, shit like that.
And wonder the magics of this park.
We like to do a lot of exploration in our channel too. What do we do? What are we supposed to do?
Nature
Look at it, like
provided.
when we literally came to a park, there's like a lot of rocks in front of us. Like if you could climb through it. I see a lot of kids are like literally doing their crazy things right here. And let's go explore. Come on, guys.
Yep.
Yo, so we're here at the top of the rocks. It's literally amazing, fascinating. It's like Lord of the Rings or Aliens versus the Wizards type scenario. You can feel the magic of this place, baby. I'm king of the world. Yeah.
We're like
Welcome to the rocks heaven, right here. Come on.
Of this place.
This place feels more nostalgic, you know, like going here versus I've been to the Grand Canyon before, like 3 years ago, and look at all the rocks. There's so many rocks here. Here it's just like a calm, rejuvenating place where you can just explore the rocks and scenery. It feels like summertime. It feels more like summertime here.
Still have like lots of adventure to explore out there. So I love it as much as everyone does.
Best place to come with your family and chill with your pets, or if you have like dogs or cat or like someone. It's a more better place to walk around. There's a lot of pathways down the nature and everywhere, but it's more cool place and chill, especially like when you're coming during summertime. It's like more cool place to come. We haven't explored the inside of this park yet, so we're gonna go straight into the nature. See a lot of trees, a lot of different plants, everything. I heard there's a lake and all that stuff. We gotta go check all that stuff out, right, Aditya? We're gonna do it. You guys come with us though.
Guys, I'm about to walk on top of these rocks. Let's see how it goes.
Look at him go. The American Ninja Warrior is about to make his greatest challenge.
I'm halfway through though.
Whoa, he made it. He made it.
It's that walkway called a little walkway out here. So there's a dog looking at us. Is he gonna bite us?
Not bite. She will jump on you though.
That was a little fun moment.
Why you touch me? We're gonna get lost.
How's it going?
Guys, if you guys ever coming out to this park, it's a better place to take a photo shoot and everything.
Yeah, please don't lie.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing, bro.
Carpenter Lake area. Look at the little like water, all that nature type of thing. There's a walkway down there too. So Carpenter Lake is a man-made impoundment which was formed by a placement of a dam across the river. There's a channel, catfish. Hey yo, man, wait. Look at this view.
So romantic, so peaceful. Nice to spend the evening here.
Yeah, I wish we could canoe on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw you in right now.
Yo guys, look at me. So stupid, but it's so chill down here. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whee. I'd like to be adventure more everything. So this park is pretty much, they got a long pathway all the way from here.
Yeah.
And it's like, bro, If you guys have to do a photo shoot or nothing like for your Instagram photos or like what, a family wedding, everything, like come with your family down here. It's so beautiful. It's so chill to walk with your kids, your pets, your everything down here. You know what I'm saying? It's so chill. I see a lot of people having their dogs and walking in the
Yeah,
morning,
even
jogging, everything. It's so cool, right, Mike?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna go to there right now.
Yeah, we're about to jump in there. Yeah, jump in the lake. We're about to jump in the lake.
Bro, Mike, hold me. And see what's gonna happen. Oh my God. Woo. It's so damn slippery. Guys, be so
Oh my God.
I'm about to go through it. So I'm literally sitting at right here next to the, what do we say, lake, river, whatever?
Lake, river, pond.
Pond. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm gonna teach my feet.
Oh my God, dude. It's so slippery here. Like seeing you go, like I almost felt like I was gonna jump into the pond. Or like
We're gonna walk through. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh my God. Whee! I almost fell. That was fun though. Oh my God. So my boy.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna go through here. Guys, I'm gonna walk through here. Whee! Let's go.
Oh, we came across another slippery slope.
Be careful when you guys walk through here.
Yeah, never go through a slippery slope,
Never
guys.
try this, kids. You guys don't never try.
don't try this.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Kids, never do a slippery slope in nature. Ugh.
Let's go. Let's go. We got it. We got it. Woo. I made it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at this view though. Everything. Hey guys, this is the best place for the fishing though.
Fishing.
I'm gonna push you in.
Should I push you on? Should I throw you on, Mike?
Yeah. No, you can jump in if you want.
Show it to the camera.
Woo! That's game fish, baby. It's right there.
Oh wow.
You know what it is. So you had to
Damn.
get the net.
Is this it's the first one though?
Yeah, oh no. This like this is my 13th one. What you talking about, man?
Great fish.
We about to eat them.
It's like more a little bit of water falls down there. It's pretty cool. Let's walk through it. Come on. We're literally enjoying, but be careful when you're walking through the small areas though. I'm literally going top of this thingy though. Oh my God, hope it ends good though. I won't die, but I'm gonna go over it. Ah! I mean, look at that waterfalls. It's not the biggest waterfall, but it's something.
I am a fishing pro and a trainer. I just trained these two of my students today.
Yeah, take fishing lessons from him.
You know what I'm saying?
That's
Everything,
good, though.
man. I've been out here busting my ass trying to.
So guys, we're gonna go upward. Let's go. This adventure type of thing.
Yeah, it's like Indiana Jones.
Oh yeah. You can do it.
Yeah, great American Ninja Warrior.
Oh yeah. Mind you coming?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ah! It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to explore the nature. Everything. Come on. Let's go. Guys. Whew. We did it finally. Oh my God. It's a lot cool. It's a lot cool down here. Oh! Holy shit! Guys, there's literally something right there. I don't know if you guys see it.
Oh shit.
Holy shit. Let's get out of here. There's the deer right there. I think we could go. It's not gonna attack us. Come on. 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 Why are you guys so scared? Why are you guys scared?
I did tell my dad. And then I just went after. I took.
Yeah, so right now we are ending our video right here. This is our first video of exploring the nature of beauty of everything. Look.
Wow.
And like we saw in this video, we saw a deer and we run away from it. That was cool. So what you gotta say?
Bro, this place was fun. We're gonna do part 2, like another part.
Yep.
So yeah, Mike.
Yeah, we're gonna do part 2 and explore more of this. So stay tuned, like,
Yep.
share, and subscribe.
So part 2 coming up on this video. I mean, like we're gonna pause this video and this video right here, but a second part of the video coming up though.
Yeah.
So hope you guys stay tuned. Like the video, share, subscribe. How do you guys feel about this our first nature vlog, exploring everything? Comment down below, share your opinion. I kind of see that you guys I don't see like only for past few videos like no comments or like I don't know. Comment down below something, please. Just like support us, do everything. So what do we say? What do we say? What do we say?